So today we got into the Camaro. It is still ice cold for the AC, but we are going to dig into the blower fan motor to figure out why it is loud like that. We're going to take it out real quick, look at it, see if we can find a simple, hopefully, solution. Either fix it or get a new one and replace it. So let's get to it. Well, it's simple. You take these two clips, well, this clip out, take out the kick panel, take out this little clip that holds it back here, and then you take out 3 screws here and come to my conclusion, which I was right. It was either it was dirty or it was full of crap. Well, it's full of crap. So throwing the fan off balance, making it make a lot of noise. So not even 5 minutes worth of work and I found out there's nothing wrong with the fan blower. All the leaves that have collected up past, where they usually get in here on the hood, collected and got past the intake for the cabin air and just gets in there and got into the blower motor. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that up, put it back in, and then we'll spin the motor back up and should be a lot more quiet after that. Okay, I didn't put the panel back in yet, but the blower motor's in. So let's give this a shot and see what we got. Oh yeah. Yep, that did it. Just a bunch of debris and trash in there. I gotta fix this. That's gotta be my next fix right there, is planting that corner and that corner down over there. But that's nice. Now you can have max AC. Well, I mean, there's max AC. But the custom 3D printed knobs, because only the original ones were broke. But if you really want to have max fan, you can have it now and it doesn't vibrate the whole dashboard and sound like crap. Now you can actually turn it up a little bit and not seem like you have to yell over all the noise. So that was the quick video for the day. I'm not sure if this has a cabin air filter or anything. You know what? Hold on a second. Let's see if we can find. I'm not seeing where a cabin air filter would be put in here. It might be outside. I have to go look that up. I've never seen one for this car or my car, but I'm pretty sure there is one. There has got to be one. There always is, and it's probably either clogged up or missing, so that could be the next replacement. But other than that, quick short video of replacing or not replacing, but checking out what's wrong with the blower motor, and that's it. Yeah, nice to be able to just turn it up to max and not have any noise. So that's it for today. I will check you all later. Have a good one.